Hello everybody, this is Rosita Igna. Look at guys, it's so windy, windy guys. Oh. Ah, tingin kayo dito sa paligid ko. You can see that around here. So look, there I walk. Look at that beautiful place. It's a foggy, very, and oh, wow. It's like that. There's a car. It's a beautiful house and beautiful street. It's nobody. It's only It's only me. Me. I walk. I have lipstick. Sun. So look that guys. Is the tree. Look the tree. Kahoy sa Cebuhan, no? Look. Walay mga dahon, no leaves. Walay mga dahon. So, okay. Naglalakad ako dahil kailangan natin maglakad. Walang energy sa loob ng bahay. Look at that one. So, it's beautiful, even is foggy. So, anong foggy sa makulimlim sa Tagalog? Foggy, I don't know in Tagalog. Makulimlim, di ba, no? Pag Tagalog, di ba? Di ba makulimlim? Okay. This is ang ganda-ganda ng panahon na makulimlim. Look at the sky. The sky. Walang stars. No stars. Only in the window. Look at the house. Just the back. Tingnan mo sa likod. I speak Taglis. English and Tagalog. Also Bisaya also. So look, there is their simple decoration. Simple decoration. Christmas decoration. Very simple. The house look simple. My mind guys, I go here because maybe there is slippery, so maybe I rolling there like a balloon, like a barrel, so I don't want to go there, so I go here. Look the window, look the house, look the trees with a light, very simple. The house is so Merry Christmas, Guyul. So that's Guyul is Christmas. Guyul. And then, akit ako dito. Pataas. Halaka. Pataas. Yun. Pataas. Look. This. And, look the surrounding. Kahit walang ano na yung sky, gabon lang. Is only skug. Ano yun sa sure. Hindi ko nakalimutan ko sa sa Norwegian skug. No, it's not skug. The sky. Ski. I don't know. Mini language. So like that one. So I come up here. I don't know where I can go. Just walking. So I've been to look like this. And I was, galing ako dyan. The house. Kasi may trabaho doon sa taas. Unlike traffic. Yes. Nandito na ako sa ibabaw. Sa top of the world. Top of the world. Yan na. Malapit na ako sa langit. I'm now in the heaven. Heaven. Sa look heaven. It's raining. It's raining. Raining. So look there also. I'm on. There is a Christmas tree there. Look at that Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Now I look. Basa na. Nabasa na ako pero may reflex ako. So para makita ako. Oh, basa-basa ang camera ko. Kulang. Hala, ang lakas ng ulan. Patay ka, lalakas. Kaya basa na ako. Tingnan mo yung sa likod na. Di ba ang ganda? Kahit walang araw, maganda pa rin. Ulan ng ulan. Malakas. Ayan. Dito ako naglalakad. Basa na ako. Pero yung ilalim ko kasi hindi nababasa. Meron din akong cover. Hindi ako nababasa. May reflex ako para makikita. May tubig ako dyan sa likod. Complete. Yan. Ang dilim, no? Anong oras na pa? Anong oras pa? Bata pang oras. So maybe it's 3 o'clock or 3 or 2 o'clock. So it's dark. It's just winter, you know. Now it's raining. Hello. Hello. Rain, yeah. Singing. Singing and the singing and the rain. Look. And my beautiful camera, please come to me. Come to me. So I'm wonderful. Ang ganda, di ba? No? Guys, ulan ng ulan. Kaya, dito ako na. Sa ulan, guys. Ay, ako, telepon ko ay tubig na. Ay, see you again. Mag-in na tayo sa babay. Dito po sa taig na. Bye-bye, love you, and Happy New Year advance 2025. Bye-bye, love you, God bless you.